Welcome. For the next 15 minutes, you're going to do something your nervous system has been waiting for. Not a technique, not a practice, not another thing to add to your stack. You're simply going to do nothing. And I know how that sounds. In a world that rewards constant doing, constant optimizing, constant productivity, doing nothing feels almost irresponsible. But your nervous system doesn't need another strategy right now. It doesn't need to be fixed, upgraded, or managed. It needs one thing: space, permission to simply be, without interference, without agenda, without trying to feel a certain way. So find a comfortable position, wherever you are, however you are, and let's begin. Here's what doing nothing actually means. You're not trying to relax. You're not trying to clear your mind. You're not trying to feel calm or peaceful or present. You're not even trying to meditate. You're simply here, aware, but not doing anything about it. If thoughts come, and they will, you're not going to push them away. You're also not going to follow them. You're simply going to let them be there, like clouds passing through an open sky. You're not the clouds. You are the sky. If you feel restless, you don't have to calm it. If you feel uncomfortable, you don't have to fix that too. And if you feel nothing at all, that's perfect too. There is no goal here, no destination, no right way to do this. Your only instruction for the next several minutes is this: do nothing. Now, doing nothing doesn't mean forcing yourself to blank out. You're still here, still aware, just aren't doing anything with what's here. You might notice your breathing. You don't have to control it. Just notice it's happening. Your body already knows how. You might notice sounds around you: traffic, voices, silence. You don't have to do anything with them. They're just there. You might notice sensations in your body: warmth, pressure, tingling, or nothing distinct at all. You don't need to change any of it. And you might notice thoughts, lots of them. That's completely normal. You are not trying to stop thinking. You are just not following the thoughts. Think of it like sitting by a river. Thoughts are leaves floating past on the water. You see them, you let them pass. You don't jump in and swim after them. I'm going to be quiet now. This is your time. Do nothing. good. You're doing this perfectly. Even if it doesn't feel that way, your mind probably wandered. Maybe a lot. That's not a problem. That's just what minds do. You may have noticed yourself trying to do this correctly, trying to be calm, trying to be still. That's okay. Just notice it and let it go. The practice of doing nothing is not about achieving a state. It's about allowing whatever state you're already in. You don't have to be anywhere other than exactly where you are. Let's continue. Notice how you feel right now. You might feel restless. You might feel calm, bored, peaceful, frustrated, or nothing in particular. All of it is fine. None of it is a problem to solve. This is the practice, allowing what is without trying to make it into something else. Your nervous system is extraordinarily intelligent. When we stop managing it, stop controlling it, stop trying to feel better, it knows exactly how to restore itself. It was always doing this. We just kept getting in the way. So we practiced doing nothing. We practiced trust. We practice allowing. And this is not passive. This is the most active thing you will do today. Presence without agenda. Awareness without interference. Let's sit together for one more stretch. Let your nervous system breathe. Let it settle. Let it be. We are coming to the end of our time together. In a moment, you'll return to your day, back to doing, deciding, moving. But perhaps you can take this with you. The understanding that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is nothing. Your nervous system doesn't need another tool or strategy or technique. Sometimes it just needs space, permission, trust. You can return to this anytime. When you're overwhelmed, when you're exhausted from all the doing, when you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, come back and do nothing. It's the simplest practice, somehow the hardest. But it might be the most important one you ever develop. Take a moment now to notice your breath. Notice your body. Notice that you are here. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes if they've been closed. No rush. Move gently as you return. Thank you for being here. Thank you for doing nothing with me. This, just this, is enough. Peace.